You're welcome today to my channel, Simplified English Grammar. I'm happy to have you. In our last episode, we discussed nominal case. We saw that the nominal case can function in different slots in the English sentence. We saw the subject, we saw the object case, and today we'll be continuing with the vocative case. Vocative case. But before then, if you have not subscribed, please do well too. It's very important to the growth and development of this channel. Always like each time you view our videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified each time we drop our content. Once again, we'll be continuing with vocative case. What is vocative case? This refers to when a noun is used to address a person directly, or when a name signifies and calls the attention of the addressee directly. In other words, when a noun is in second person. Next, we'll be treating appositive case. Appositive case. What is appositive case? A noun can be nominative in apposition. A noun can be nominative in apposition or objective in apposition, depending on what it refers to in a sentence. When it refers to a subject, it is called a nominative apposition. And when it refers to the object, it is called the objective apposition. Let's take some examples to clarify this definition. When addressed, the noun is said to be the vocative case. It is also called nominative of address. Nominative of address. We'll take some examples to illustrate this case. Some of the examples include: Clara, what are you doing sitting? Clara, what are you doing sitting? Here, Clara is being addressed. She is the vocative case. Number 2, we have, you can't be serious, Hadiza. You can't be serious, Hadiza. You can't be serious, Hadiza. Hadiza here is the vocative case. Please, David, don't interrupt the lesson. Please, David, don't interrupt the lesson. Here, David is the vocative case. Some of the examples include: number 1, Aisha Buhari, the first lady, visited my school. Aisha Buhari, this is a subject, and this is a nominative apposition because it refers to the subject. Nominative apposition because it refers to the subject, the first lady. Number 2, I heard Henry the orator. Henry here is the object. The orator here is the apposition. And remember, it is the apposition to the object. And finally here, number 3, we have Elizabeth, the queen, was carried. 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 Here we have the queen as the subject, and Elizabeth here as the opposition. Apposition to the subject. Apposition to the subject. Thank you very much for viewing with us today. It's a pleasure having you. In our next episode, we'll be talking about genetic case. Genetic case. You can't afford to miss it. If you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe, like, drop your comments. Thank you once again. See you in our next episode.